Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you a new type of palm plate. The palm plate comes with a LED indicator and with the adapter. So this is our new type of palm plate. This is based on an acrylic sheet, and on that there is a anti-static mat. Mat is two layer. As you can see, there is a conductive layer and static dissipative layer. It is also divided in two parts to create a path. On top of that there is a meter, as you can see, and in the meter there is a LED for indication. Further, on top of the meter you can see there is a 2 point. One point for adapter, other point is for earthing. This palm plate comes with two items. The first one is cord. It's a 1 meter cord. One end will connect to the palm plate and the other end connect to the earth. You have to connect it to the earth side. And this comes with a adapter like this. It's a simple adapter. You have to put it in the socket and this will go in the palm plate. So I am going to show you the demo how it works. First of all, you have to connect the ground wire into this like this, and then you have to connect this point into the earth. Whatever earthing coming in your home or your office, you can put it there, and then the other point of adapter you can connect it to palm plate like this. Then you have to put it in the socket. Now when you put it in the socket, this will show a red light like that, correct? So when anybody connect this point to the earth, it's properly connected. You have to press hard, make sure it's properly connected, then it will turn green. When you lose it, if you touch it lightly, very lightly like this, it will stay red because not proper connection made. But when you press it proper, then it will turn green. If this point is connected to the proper earth, this will surely work. If this is not connected to earth, it will stay red. Also, if you are touching lightly, very lightly, it will not turn green. You have to connect it little hard, then it will show green. So this is the palm plate. You can place this palm plate outside any ESD safe area. There is a 2 hole given here. Just screw it any outside area of ESD safe area. Anybody entering in the ESD safe area, they can touch it for 5 seconds properly and then they can enter. Static charge from their body will be discharged to ground. You can buy through our website only. Further, if you have any inquiry, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.